Hello, we are here to explain how the economy has been affected by the COVID-19 situation and how the employment stabilization payment works. Traditionally, our economy in Vanuatu has been benefited from tourism income. When a tourist comes to Vanuatu, they spend money in businesses like restaurants and shops. These businesses in turn then use this money to pay for things like paying the government through VAT and duties, paying staff and suppliers. Staff use this money to pay their home rent, school fees, and food for their families. The government then uses this money for building and supporting schools, hospitals, and roads as a few examples. And in a similar way, suppliers use this same money to pay for their children's school fees, their farmers and suppliers and road taxes. So the money that tourists brings goes around in an economy. It pays for many services and provides incomes for businesses and families. What's happening now? The borders are closed and the planes are no longer flying. Tourists cannot get to our country, so there is no tourist income going to businesses. The government has agreed to provide some money to some businesses. This money is to support the business in keeping employees employed. Many businesses have been continuing to pay the employees during this difficult time. So these employees have already received salary from March and April and will be paid in May. The government money is only being paid later after staff already have the pay from the employer. So when the government reimburses the employer, the only top-up the employer needs to make is to any employee who earn less than 30,000 in a month. The employee does not receive the 30,000 from the government because they already have been paid by the employer. In this example, you will see that in May, Mary gets a top-up after an employee receives the ESP. This is to bring a salary up to 30,000, which is the amount of money that government has set. This video was made for you by the Chamber of Commerce and Industry. We are acting on behalf of the employee to help them apply for this government payment. The government of Vanuatu has set the rules about which business can apply for this funding for their staff.